Okay, so stats, this is going to introduce you to the shape of the sampling distribution for your sample count X. All right, so we're going to click on the underlying normal approximation of the binomial distribution applet here. Let's see it opened, I hope. There we go. Okay, so there mine is. You'll see a histogram with a curve overlay, just like that. You're going to, using the sliders, we're going to set the number of trials to n equals 10 and the probability of success to 0.02. So this is actually just the example we just did, right? 10.02. And you can use the arrows to do that as well. There we go. Okay. All right. Now notice here, look at this line, 0.2, right? That's your mean, right? That was our expected value we got last example. So be aware of that. You can also use the arrow keys. The normal curve has the same mean as the histogram, but it doesn't model the histogram well, right? So if we take a look here, what does it mean? Not that. Well, what it means is look at these rectangles, right? Do you see how there's some area outside of the curve here and there's some area missing here? So what they're saying is that this curve doesn't really model these the histogram well. It doesn't fit under the curve. So can we do better? That's the question. Can we do better to work with the shape? So if you go through this, right, it's going to ask you some questions to change the probabilities, change the sample size n. Okay, and it's going to have you copy and paste your normal distributions in the boxes. So follow along in the example and see uh, what you kind of discover in terms of the shape of these curves and histograms. Okay, all right, have fun.